Welcome to Wake Up Tai Chi. This flow will help you awaken your body, refresh your energy, and start your morning with more clarity and confidence. And don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. And then from here, you can let the arms float down by the sides, and then step one foot out to the side, about shoulder width. And we'll start off with hip circles today with your hands on your hips, and then rotate the pelvis in a circle. So just doing small circles, just loosening up the whole lower body. So this is great to do if you're short on time and you want to lubricate all your joints of the lower body, including the low back. This one's really good for that. And then reverse direction, just doing small circles, just enough to lubricate the joints. All right, and then we'll move into our shoulder circles or shoulder rolls. So lift the shoulders up towards the ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders, releasing tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. Breathing. You can do this one for the upper body. It's great to do every day. All right, one more time. And then just taking a moment to feel into the body, noticing any sensations. And then on the next inhale, the arms float up to the sides. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. They drift down, softening the hips and the knees. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door. The start of the journey. Some nice gentle movements to start our flow. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. One more time, holding up the sky. And then this time the fingertips point up, coming up the center, and then the hands spiral out and away. This one's called silk reeling, the upward spirals. So it's very similar to holding up the sky. It's a little bit of a different energy, more of a spiraling and coiling. One more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up and over. The fingertips point down, coming down the center and then spiraling out and away. The downward spirals, circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, silk reeling, the downward spirals. Then the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Moving like water, soft but powerful. Nice and slow. One more time, the fountain. This time the fingertips point up, the hands come up the center, and then spiraling, rotating to the side. One hand spirals forward, the other behind. Coming back to center, coming up the midline, turning the other way, the tiger claws. Breathing in, rising up. Gentle rotation, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claws. And then from here, the hands float all the way up and over, down in front of the body. So scooping up, gathering in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. The bathing breath, as if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. This time the arms float up in front. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back and push forward, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling the sensations in the body. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go right out to the corner, then they palms face away. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, parting the clouds. This time the arms float right out to the corner, but then they spiral and turn back in towards the heart, and then shifting the weight back, the arms float backwards, spiraling out in front. Big hug, scooping under, the backward spirals. So sending the energy back. One more time, the backward spirals. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And then from here, draw the hands in, step out to the corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in and breathing out. No rush, nowhere to go. Just being mindful in the here and now. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner. Palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, parting the clouds. This time the hands go out to the corner, then they spiral back in. The fingertips curl in and scoop under, going back, coming out and around like a big hug, the backward spirals. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, nice and slow. And then from here, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center, step the front foot in, and soften. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the wrists cross in front of the heart as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. And then step out to the side, the hands brush out to the sides as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing the knee to the corner, touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel to the corner, either straight out or towards the earth, or anywhere in between. And then finally, the arms open as you kick the heel kick. Once again, you can kick straight out or towards the earth, just meeting yourself where you're at. One more time on this side, the heel kick. And then the arms float out to the sides. Step the other foot in, so shifting the weight, cross the wrists in front of the heart as you step in. Step out to the side, the hands brush out as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing the knee to the corner, gently opening the hip, coming back down. This time you can kick your heel either straight out or towards the earth. That still counts. Finally, the arms open as you kick the heel kick. kicking straight out towards the earth or anywhere in between. One more time, the heel kick. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart, and then softening down as we plant the tree. And then the hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, and then down the center as you soften down. Other side, breathing in, breathing out. Taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle in front, hug the tree, right out in front. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both hands drift over to the side and down. And once again, just drifting side to side. Nice and easy, nice and slow. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the toes out in front. Bring them back in, other side, tap the toes. This time, tap the toes, the opposite hand pushes right to the corner. Other side, tap the toes, the hand pushes to the corner, the other one by the hip, palm up. The high pat on horse. Tap the toes, push to the corner. Breathing in and breathing out. Shifting the weight, nice and easy. One more time, high pat on horse. And then step in and hug the tree and soften. From here, the palms face each other right in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the hands open slightly, and as you breathe out, they come back towards each other. This time, breathe in, open a little bit more. Coming back in as you breathe out. This time, big open, big breath. Accordion breathing. And we'll do another round, starting off small. And then a little bit bigger. This time, big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. A little bit bigger. Big open, big breath. And then from here, the hands float down, circle all the way in front. This time the hands come together in prayer position. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, softening down, bending the hips and knees. The fingertips guide the way out to the side. And then scooping around, going out the other way. The dragon pierces through the clouds. Just going side to side. Nice and gentle. Just never forcing it, gentle rotation. And then if you like, you can keep going side to side, or you can let the hands begin to drift up to the mountain peak. So nice and slow, gradually making your way to the top of the mountain, and then going down the mountain trail. So going side to side, all the way down, just as much as you can comfortably, and then tuning into the body, moving in any way that would feel great for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. So listening to your body. Let the energy guide you. Maybe going up high or low, or you can even just keep going side to side. Or just exploring, bringing curiosity to your experience. All right, one more time, spontaneous dragon. And then when you're ready, you can release, round out, hug the tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And then circle the hands in front. Gather in the energy. Bring it into the heart to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, open the heart. Rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling all the sensations that you can in the body. Feel the body breathing. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.